Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some interesting stuff going on. Updates need to be made. First, I'm going to do a little house cleaning. Get rid of that level. Sure, that pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. But the first big update that comes about right here at 124.50-ish, talked about this level or yesterday as a support, yesterday being Tuesday, depending on when you watch this video. But you can see right here, price broke below it, and then down it went. And at that point, this is just a basic rule in charts. When levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So right here, you can see the price then bounce back upwards. And I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook. Absolutely classic example of that former support now acting as resistance. Am I saying that the price can never get back up over 124.50? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying it makes sense why that bounce did struggle there, and then why that level did ultimately, push the price back downwards. So moral of the story, if there is any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside, then a level that a lot of people will be watching as a potential, very telling area is right up here at that level, meaning breakout players might be interested to try to go long over there. And you could very well have shorts thinking, well, I think if the price gets up there, it'll just get rolled back over. Moral of the story, a lot of people are going to be watching that level. Now, the next key level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching is twofold. You have this green line. Actually, let's just go to the daily time frame here because I think this does a better job of illustrating exactly what's going on. So let me just get some of this out of the way. So now we're looking at the daily time frame, meaning each one of these represents a day. But that first key level that a lot of people are going to be watching is right here at the 120 mark. First off, it's just a big round number, and it's also the lowest it's been since way back here in late March. So, I mean, it's been over a month since the price has been down around that area, and now it's flirting with this very big area of support. And if that level fails, then would not be shocking at all to see the price then, continue on downward. Now, am I saying it's dropping down to $100 within a couple minutes? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying a break of 120 is now putting Boeing into an area of the chart where there just isn't that many data points that suggest there's other areas that could stop it. So 120, lots of people are going to be watching it. So call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. If that level fails, things might get pretty nasty to the downside. So let's see what happens with it moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.